Welcome back to the gaming family. In this video, I will show you how you can connect OKX wallet to Galxe. To do this, first you have to launch your OKX mobile application. Next, tap on wallet access to your OKX wallet and then tap on discover. Use the search bar at the top and search for Galxe. Once found, tap on Galxe. Then tap on go to Galxe. On the Galxe website, tap on staking, then tap on the arrow button at the bottom. Tap on OKX wallet, or if you see Connect wallet, click on that. Once done, you will successfully connect your OKX wallet to Galxe. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.